My name's Dustin of Dustin Van Fleet Design, and you're watching Hometalk. So I'm going to be showing you how to paint these expensive Sunbrella cushions that I've had for the better part of a decade. But now these have been washed on numerous occasions with color-safe bleach, and you're seeing the staining, and that's not going to come out ever. So we're going to show you guys how to save hundreds of dollars today. So we're going to take our Fusion Mineral Paint in the color of Midnight Blue here, and then we're going to add equal water to paint. So we're taking this paint and we're making it into actually a dye or a stain. Now when we make this color dye, we want to make sure that we really stir that water in. So this is going to be like a color wash, guys. And now we're going to simply start applying the dye. Now this will not make your piece, or your fabric we should say, super stiff. I get that question every time that we do a project like this. It will not, because we'll show you as we go on how you keep that from happening. But the main reason is it's not going to make it stiff, because we have taken the paint and we've turned it into a color wash by adding so much water to it. It's no longer a paint consistency. But you see how well it's covering. It looks really good on the first coat. It will take more than one coat, guys. So you just want a nice coat of this midnight blue on here. This will probably take 2 or 3 coats. When it dries, it's a little bit different looking than it is right now. It looks like one coat's gonna do it right here. It won't. Now we've run a fan on this side, guys, and the first coat is completely dry. So we went around our seam again on this side all the way around so that we wouldn't have any of the green showing. But you guys could see what it looked like after one coat, and that was not what it looks like when the coat's wet. And now we're finishing up the last coat. We've done both cushions. This is the final cushion and the last coat. And we lucked out, guys, how I told you that we might have to do 3 coats. We only had to do 2 coats on the back and the sides of it. So we're gonna wait for this to dry now in front of a fan. We're gonna expedite it, and then we're gonna lightly sand again. Now that we've painted each side twice and lightly sanded in between coat, we're just gonna put clear wax on here. All the clear wax is gonna do, we're just lightly putting it on, but all this clear wax will do is keep this soft. You do not have to be brand specific. You can use any water-based clear wax. So then after we're done with that part of it, we're gonna come, lightly wipe it back. Then we'll let it dry overnight, and then your cushions will be ready so that you can reattach them to the chair. All right, now that we've put 2 coats of paint on each cushion, we've sanded in between each coat of paint, and we've added our clear wax that's water-based. Our cushions are ready to go. We hope you've enjoyed learning the process of how to take your outdoor furniture and amp it up to a whole new level for very little money. My name's Dustin Van Fleet of Dustin Van Fleet Design, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.